It's fine. Yeah. It's tough because, like, I got 2 legitimate goals tonight, which is like half our goals. And I stole one of yours. I'm like, I could do more.
I'm thinking about pressing charges.
Our team could have done more.
Our team could have done more.
Well, I mean, I don't think we were out for the defenseman goal where we beat the like breakaway that one dude had, 42 with the visor.
Yeah.
We were on the bench for that.
We were on the bench for the goal.
But that was the only goal that we weren't looking for. Or that directed ball.
I think you were just getting like a splash of awesome.
Yeah.
I think that's what it was.
It's because I was on the line with you. Even though the one time you gave me a good pass, I missed it. I got a chip from, I think, the visor dude, and I scored on that.
It's the blackout rain.
Yeah. I remember the first one.
I think I closed my eyes.
Shit, that's why I'm missing the net so much. So I remember the first one. I remember the one that went off my foot. I know I scored the second one. I don't know what happened. I don't think it was anything impressive. But I didn't think it. Oh well, we know what happened.
I had one that I just barely touched it off the board, one-handed,
Oh,
and
yeah.
went onto a breakaway and missed.
He got a pretty dominant.
He's warming up.
Yeah. He's warming up like I warm up. And then I get in the game, I can just keep doing the same shit. Or I go bar down and warm up and then miss it.
That was a beautiful play.
It was decent. He could have gone back in potentially. But he was also kind of cutting that way instead of wrong. So I guarantee I would have. Well, we had the one, I was like right for the net, and you were behind me maybe? And I think the one defenseman didn't play very well. So it's like down low. And I was like, I literally took my stick and I was like pointing at you. I was like, there's a guy right on me. And then he got me the puck. It was a good pass. And I shot him really range. Well, I didn't even expect it. And I just did what I did. I was happy. And then you made fun of me. You're like, you're a short guy. So I was like, I'm happy I hit the net. I wanted you to get the puck. I literally took right there. I was like, give it to him. There's a guy right on me, and you were coming in high as a third guy, and you were open.
Who knows?
Well, I don't know if you're. I just saw you out of the corner of my eye, and you were coming in behind, and I was like, "Good work, good stick drop." Well, at least I don't have to feel as bad for being on defense when they score because I wasn't on defense.
Yeah. If you run off.
Yeah.
I think that's also what threw me.
Yeah.
It's like, should
I kind of like that it is a little more like cleaning up stuff experience. It is kind of.
Well, I mean, it's going to help when you go pro.
Yeah. Soon. NHL's been calling.
You've been turning mids down. You don't feel like
I'm not ready yet.
Yeah. Oh! I think that was in. In. That was in.
No
madness.
That's like
how do you work?
How do they work? I've been telling everybody next year I am going to the gathering of the Juggalos. I'm serious. I gotta go one time in my life.
Gotta go.
I mean, I don't think you
I'm
have
gonna
to.
fucking RV.
Are you gonna face paint?
Probably not.
Are you actually going to listen to ICP before you go?
Probably not. I just want to go there and just like.
You know, there are a bunch of angry people who like bad music. Like, they're just going to.
They get some good. They get some decent. I like rap. So they get some decent. Like, I like Kim Dying and stuff. They get some decent artists. I want to go there more for the.
Fago?
People watching?
No, Fago. But yeah, no, the people watching the fucking. back shit fits out, just get like a nice RV, pay for a spot or something, and just know that like, alright, well I'm done. This is good. Put my Starlink on or something and watch Netflix for the rest of the night.
I've heard it's not as cool as it used to be. I read something on the Reddits, I think, that some guy was like, it used to be like a real cool like family thing where like, no, like they were like they were just chill.
Like you have them like bringing them, I'm sure they were bringing their kids and shit.
And now it's gotten a lot more degenerate. It's like bonfires and fights and shit.
To watch.
Yeah.
That's why, like, I don't care what kind of thing are we drinking. Are we drinking Pepsi? That's fine. We can drink Pepsi.
No, it's Fago.
Well, I'm saying like that's why we're fighting the guy that's drinking Pepsi. They're all
because
pissed off.
he's a fucking poser.
Yeah. Or on just bring like 6 Fago kegs to make friends with everybody. Pop up to the side of the RV, get some gas poured out there.
Yeah, I'm trying to think where I saw there was a gas station near my high school that had it. Maybe the dollar store? Like I haven't even seen Fago that often.
I mean the dollar store sounds about right.
Yeah. Juggalos seem like dollar store people.
Yeah, they do. Don't get all these guys in, but we're on the fence.
Yeah.
Which is weird, so I thought we were saying like, yeah, we're definitely going to gather the juggalos. Finally, somebody else wants to go.
On top of it, isn't it in like fucking Ohio or some shit? Yeah, fuck that. Like, hey, you guys want to go to Ohio and hang out with a bunch of juggalos?
Oh! That was it.
That was it. Yeah.
Remember that goal you thought you had to actually hit off this foot? That's what a goal looks like.
Yeah, that was my goal.
I'm glad that you're not going to be here next week.
Maybe next week you'll have to put some food on. Don't worry, I'll remember I had a head.
You know, offense isn't always the best defense. I was one of the best in defense.
We're playing with Hawk next week. I think we should get it. They're going. Oh, yeah. Phil says his neighbor has like 4 trailer loads potentially, like wood that'll be turned into wood chips. So like 4 trailer loads of wood chips to be made from a stack of wood that he needs to get rid of. And he was like, well, these have room for 4, and I was like, I don't think they have room for 4.
We might have room for 2.
Yeah. We can potentially, he's like, oh, my neighbor needs to get all the trees off his property, he doesn't want the chips on his property. Phil might like, Phil's got lots of wood chips.
What are you saying we're in a rush?
Yeah.
We literally have the hardcore down on a garden right now. Use it. But we're also not pushing.
Yeah.
A lot of other people's labor.
Yeah. Well, I was going to say, it's possible we could bring down a tractor too. My dad still owns the tractor.
We wouldn't be able to get the tractor in the back.
It's relatively small. It's the one I'm selling right now.
Can it go through the fence? I don't have a. We don't have a toy. Yeah, we don't have a toy game.
Yeah. Well, I think we could probably run over your fence with the tractor.
There is that. There's also I know the fence does come apart, but the problem is compost is literally there. Yeah.
I was just saying, it seemed like it would like save a shit ton of time and labor. We gotta fucking. You can go to the Home Depot and get some
I don't think you have that. You have everything. Really, the biggest. Yeah. The biggest thing is we just wanted to drive in.
It might be like because he wants me to help. He wants to keep shipping. I injury. Go back up. Is what his plan is.
I need to verify with my wife. I'm pretty sure.
No.
You guys have merged too, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, Brian. Yeah, he's suspended right now. He got in the fight on Tuesday.
Yeah.
So he was the guy in the fight a week and a half ago. Yeah, roughly. Yeah, so if you get suspended, you play all night.
We just got to the last week.
Yeah. Same guy that he got in the fight with.
The thing is, I don't know why they, like, at that point, they go for a season.
Yeah. Well, so neither one of them were him really. So, well, kind of. So the guy that he doesn't like, they were up at the point and he like gave him a little like spearing or something or cross check. I think he cross checked.
The other guy did?
Yeah. And Ryan's like, whatever, I'll get you later. But his brother Rob did not take it well. And Rob hunted down Talon and started hunting him. And then Ryan came up and was pulling his brother off. But they suspended Ryan, but not the guy, the other guy. Even though usually when you're in a fight, it doesn't matter who starts it, everybody gets suspended. And then this one, from what I heard, Rob started a fight with a guy and he was going at it on Tuesday. And then Ryan was like, that's my brother, I'm going to go help, like, defend him. And the guy that doesn't get came out and speared him in the stomach. So it's just a shit show. And it's always the same guy.
That kind of shit, I had a buddy of mine that butt into me. Like, friends all get playing against each other. I just turned around to him because right over his fucking wrist, because there's two things in hockey that I can't stand, that's spearing and butt ending. Because that there is just intent to injure.
Yeah.
And yeah, he's told me this day, if I sit there, we go afterwards, he's bringing it up.
But they go on the board and give him a little, like, he's so sneaky with that shit. But so the first, like, he did get jumped, but like usually like he's still punching. Usually it doesn't matter when starts if you're fighting.
I was gonna say there was somebody speared you in the fight. Then maybe you get the other guy spear and fought the other one. Rigger.
Come on, guys!
Yeah, there's a guy and we went all the way to Canada. We were told like you have to get in the fight. You have to have an alternate, which in Canada you're allowed to fight, so it's kind of rare.
Yeah.
They said that. And the same guy, like, I was in the crease, I was playing defense. He just all of a sudden, like, doesn't know the face, and starts punching me. I look at the ref.
I'm not fighting.
And I'm like, I'm not fighting. The ref didn't jump in.
Yeah.
And so I just grabbed his cage and I just like pulled his head back and pulled him down.
Yeah.
And they gave us both fighting. And I was like, dude, like, what else am I supposed to do?
Yeah, just let him punch you.
They eventually did overturn it, but in that case, they said, if you're in a fight and the fact you're trying not to fight, then, but if you're like, okay, like somebody starts something and they're going to step up, then both people should get.
Yeah.
You guys play afternoon?
No, we already played.
They play the whole side.
Yeah, I think there's one at the end. No, we played before you guys. Yeah, we're on Goddard. Huh? It was like 6-4, 7-4 against half-ass. It wasn't terrible, but we gave him a lot of 3-on-1s. Our defense was non-existent.
You know, the good thing is,
Shoot it!
open golf tournament. And my father-in-law was golf. So my father-in-law was watching golf.
You know, my dog's jumping next. Okay. I hope it comes far for you, buddy. I put a lot of money in it. I don't want to play. What's going on with you?
Next year he's going to be missing guys.
Is this all the time?
Well, he's probably he's going to help with the uprising.
Yeah.
Next time he goes down, next time he comes back, there'll be 100 guys with the Dakota. I've never been up to Spokane. Go up there and hang out for 3 days and travel back to the Midwest.
And that's what it means, like, why taking the
Hopefully go through Glacier. I always wanted to go up there.
You go to
She would float it up. That's like 5 or 6
Oh, yeah.
You know, he could take us down the river and be fishing all day. Every once in a while, you're doing something. Most of the time, it's camp fishing. Eventually, they wake up and and is it a night dog or what? That one looks like it's been on the road for a while.
It's been on it, but I like the shape of it, so.
And
no ketchup, no ketchup. That's good.
Of course, the bun kind of ruins it.
Everyone. I was going to like it.
I want to see if you eat them like no one.
You know what I mean? Just one swallow.
Yeah. You don't need to bite it.
At the end of the night.
I performed the Heimlich maneuver on a dummy before, so good.
For fun or?
Hey.
Obviously.
Well, once you get the big little, thing out of his mouth, his mouth's wide open.
I just figured, fun no one around.
It would have been funny if you joked, and I was making a joke about doing the same thing.
Oh!
I made a joke to him when he got behind me after I actually had to do the Heimlich maneuver. The Heimlich guy, I think, was like kind of amazing.
We went actually last weekend to the park at Waterton. We just went back to the back of the parking lot. There's like this private property sign there, and then like right next to it, the walk back. It kind of takes you back to the Audubon area. So walk back to there, and then like you said, it's like that's a pretty intensive fish, but nobody was around. Like Gabe got a fish. Then like I was fishing, and then he took over, and he's like, sun just came out, and I was like, better get your glasses on. He goes, they're in the bag. So get him in the bag. Because it's like pretty full on. Well, that was right. That was wrong. Like I had my net like with the rubber netting, and it like went right through it, so I had to use his little $9 one that I had to get. But yeah, he was probably so tough. But first one, he caught fly fishing. And
so your net's designed just because you're only going to catch large.
The one I caught was like the week before when I was with Norland. Caught a brownie, a little bit bigger than that. That one didn't go through.
I caught one that day too. He was so small, I saw him break it up. Looked like shooting back. I couldn't believe it was still on there. I caught my line.
Lucky
It was up in my net.
Lucky didn't catch you in the lip out of the way.
Yeah, like this big. But I saw that they I just set that thing so hard.
That would have been awesome. Like, it was like flew by my head. I'm like, it's kind of, we didn't fish that much though. We left about like 9:30. We got there like about 7. Fished only 2.5 hours. But
I mean, you get this, I say, if you like walk up that, it's kind of like wide up there for some reason. But if you get a chance, go water to canyon, just let's get some cool canyon.
yeah, at some point. We saw fishing, we saw like 3 deer came through, like a couple of goats, and then Joe and 2 ponds came through, and then about another half hour later, another like doe came out, and then we went back. It was like, it's all like eagle.
Well, why don't you bring your dogs up to that canyon and all the sheep like that? But there's people up there, but you gotta like bring your dogs up there all the time.
Yeah, that's all. And then on the way back,
I took all.
No, it'd be funny to speak for
unfortunately, they were on a private property.
Well, you know what? This last is in there. The good news is he still has the reactions, you know? Because you never know that someday it'll be, oh, I kept thinking I was sitting in the hockey ring and I didn't duck.
okay down there. Jeremy was fucking ripping some passes. He needs to slow down. Well, he's not yellow laces anymore, yellow laces.
There is a yellow lace. There's all those that probably have something else.
There's no way I could have read anything until it's the same.
I wouldn't buy a red. I would buy maybe a something. That wasn't all teams wear red
No way we're getting that kind of Hey, you're buying me and I'm like, I'll wear it. I'm not buying those.
They did suck.
Yeah.
Play for the season, but you go to
Like, both are around the same time, like 3 years in. I got some like the old no, Mike wore them once and then someone the Notre Dame guy. He wore them.
He wore your pants and then
Left. He got in my pants and he left.
Like this conversation's going back over here.
Yeah, first game of the season, we had a guy and he wore he's done for and then he's like, okay, whatever. We had the guy in the bluey jersey for the game too. The what jersey? The bluey jersey. The big circle. The one that red was the yeah, they used to play. Yeah. We had
We played him earlier in the year.
Yeah.
Wait a second, he was already on
Yeah,
that.
you played him on our team.
Yeah, exactly.
I told him, I was like, which team is he on?
Hey, we're still like 5th from the bottom, even though we're not a team anymore. We're 1-1.
So you can go with the best record between Outer and
You guys just lose
Yeah.
some players or what?
Yeah, basically. We were right on the line of having players, and we almost had to forfeit the game against you guys, so we just folded and moved with Yager, and then the Red Gloves Blue Jersey and the guy that came to the skate, we went to get back in. See ya? There we go.
Oh, yeah.
You can be USA gloves.
Those will be
And I had, only because they were on sale, I had,
Nope.
I had, when we started playing it, I had black and yellow gloves, because they were on sale.
I had some white yellow. Not with
had the, especially when we had the blue jersey, had black and yellow and red pants, and it was honestly, it was enough that it bothered me. I was like, see these pants. You too. Next time I'm gonna hit you in the dick 4 times.
We did that. We didn't a lot of really high quality opportunities, but he made all the saves. I don't know.
I took an ambulance and here I am.
To the side. There were a couple that came out that were good spot.
Oh no! Are those rainbow bright pants? Like,
They're unicorns. They're from like a complete thing. Which I think I've looked at this one. I think I sent you a couple of them.
We usually end up pretty good on this one.
Second period. I'm like, shit, we have to go home?
Yeah, it's gotta be pretty low.
so I'm like,
That doesn't matter.
it's not helping me come home.
Be the sharks that are just easier to use.
Yeah. Problem is the baby seal.
I know, that's, honestly, they probably haven't put color of it. This thing's kind of like, just be the weird. There's killer clowns out.
So you guys will pull over.
We get good pigeons.
Aliens or something?
I don't know, it's like now, 70.
I need a fun dark jersey. I haven't found anything really. We could be the chupacabras. The chupacabras.
These are big dicks. Big hearts.
There's also goat suckers, which is also.
They're
They're like $40 to $60. I guess. 1 to 14 is $70. So it's gonna be $70. So that's more with numbers. We could also have
It sounds like, oh yeah.
Go to be the angry beavers. They're on that.
I'd be fine with that. Nobody has that.
Much darker blue. That's like blue.
It's like Harry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know it starts with an L, but I couldn't think of what it was.
I just remember him saying that. And I was just sitting there and
Starts
scared.
with an L.
I'm just looking at whatever. And he's like, Leonard. I'm like, he keeps saying it. I'm just looking around. I'm like, oh, fuck.
I mean, I wouldn't be the actor.
You know that's what they were going for? I'm just saying, we can do any of these.
But I kind of feel like
Like, Nick was like, I'll take care of it, and then wasn't doing anything with it. Like, we should have those jerseys by now.
even with his injury, it's just like all the time.
You know what this is? Bear shark. Maybe we'll talk to Mike. Be like, why don't we just get something like this? People can get it. Although I don't really want to.
Yeah, that's probably right. I think we're right.
Okay, well,
Do you need to be cool because it's kind of cool, or do you think it's completely
He started moving, and I'm like, oh crap.
Can you get a roller hockey?
The original one left.
Yeah, I was looking at those
Fucking
players.
heavy. Oh, it's still there. Stop in front of the net.
5 or 6.
That dude's getting a stick in his hand.
Oh! That was way too close.
I see this guy running.
Flaming shield.
Was that one in too?
Yeah, it's in.
That was it?
That was in.
That was it?
Are you fucking blind?
I think they played like one season. No one was on and then off and then back. He was on and then off and then back. Norman did, and they just didn't come back.
See, that takes custom stuff.
Oh, we will.
So one dude has that on,
We'll see.
he has that exactly.
Don't fish or something. I'm sure I'll be around. I mean, I don't feel
It needs to be purple. Dude, we could Global Gym Purple Cobras. Sweet.
Sweden or something.
The danglers.
If I'm up there, I'll
Like
probably.
these. There's 41 Ps.
The dirty name.
I have looked through it. I sent you something a while ago.
I remember getting really excited about
This is, that's the one. The Darkwing Ducks. There's a dark one in there. It's like,
I got a spot for you when you come back.
We can order it together. Or we can talk to Mike.
Those could be our rights.
Every month.
Our lights and dark.
I want a dark jersey because I have fun white jersey and I clean dark jersey. Like I have my.
Hi guys!
Hi guys. You want me to sub for you?
Would you sign my stick?
He made his hot dog.
Yeah.
Sign his bun.
We'll go to a tattoo place. You can make it permanent.
For period or for better not let any more in, Gus. Choose too many.
Look at that website I sent you with the laser.
There's also a duck, just three ducks. I like the dark one. I might not send it to you. I sent you like 3 and I was like, this might be annoying.
I don't remember Dark Rain.
That's what I'm saying. Like I might have sent you something and been like, all right, you will like this, but I also might be annoying.
His wife was fucking
Dark Rain was pretty good.
like, no, guy. Like, what the fuck are you doing?
I just feel like it takes a lot of effort. You want to do the moose
stem
knuckles?
cells over there? You guys killing babies or something? Like, how do you fix this guy?
Can we get him baby arms?
How do you fix this guy?
I'm not a gigantic fan of
Alligator
that,
arms.
but it's funny.
How do you fix this guy? Get the fuck out of
It would be funny to have matching pants that have ass
They
flowers.
do totally. Oh, they don't have that, but they do actually have some matching pants.
Yeah.
This is not going to Greece.
Grease is on.
I'm gonna
There's a fucking house out there. What's that?
Gus's family.
Family's house out there in Greece.
I think we talked about that.
Good, that was a good hit. The self-checking doors. Cool. That might have been a hit tonight right there. That's why our fees went up. It was a clean hit. Real thing.
I think the board should have
knocked the stick right off his hand.
When it
I wouldn't
loaded.
put a pass on.
Yeah.
I've seen some weird ass calls.
Keep down to the break board.
I like the like
Yeah.
90s. I was gonna say we need to mic here soon. You and me, like,
The other team gave up. They were like,
like, is this still happening?
and then he called me for a week.
Have we talked to Joel? Does he know? Is that why he's sending apologies?
No, I don't. Well, I know he knows people are frustrated. And I'm trying to hint at it without being like, some people don't take it as good as I do. Like,
Joe, remember that? I remember that part, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I don't remember what the score was.
We're eating that clock, we just know there's no reason we can't do that.
Yeah. You don't like it, don't get the fuck. Well, I've heard Zach say, like, the tough stay in motion. Plus stick handling, I brought it around the net, I brought it up, like, I don't have to freaking take it all the way down to the offensive zone.
I have to go challenge them.
we get a team uniform, surely.
No, we just kept throwing it back. Yeah. Throwing it back, throwing it back.
It's got like the same bottom stuff as the ducks, it's just
Yeah.
zombies.
I like that.
Well, that's what I'm looking for, either dark or that or the
And
dark.
I'm like, oh, they got 4 guys out, we got 2 guys back, and there's no one in the passing lane. Joker is on that goal.
And they do have some Joker ones. I just think people are like super into Joker and
Hold up, dude.
I gotta take my dad home after that.
That would be the team name.
it's official.
It's official.
Like, why does it say Islander?
Yeah.
It's official.
We would have the Highland. Oh my god.
We'd like laid up in bed and Jaker.
See, I'm all for it. The problem is, it's blue.
Yeah, maybe.
I mean,
Well, I mean, it has to
I know it's official, but that's the problem. Is there's 3 goddamn blue teams in this league. I mean, we lost 1.
Yeah, you should have played the whole thing. You should have played 4 games.
Yeah. For a cool price of $165.
And it's less
We
per
could be
game
the
than
Colfax.
I was thinking about this team. He was on paid the 160 when I showed up.
There was one season where he played 2 games, I think, so he paid like $80 a game.
East Colfax Escorts.
Well, you have the rule.
What's it? They probably won't let us be called
Well,
that prospect, but
5 more games.
Yeah, I want to be darker.
yeah.
I want to be purple.
Yeah, that's, I
Honestly.
think that some of these they have like 6 versions. And that's why they have 40.
Is that a goal?
It hit the
We got a
net.
goal?
Goal.
Hit the net. It's
Goal.
a goal.
Is that a goal?
There was one that went off the front of the net on the harvest and they didn't blow it. Oh,
Put it on the board. Put it on the board.
Like everybody stopped. No whistle. I was like, damn, I'm fucking tired. I really need that whistle right now.
You guys are fucking stupid. There's a purple uniform.
That's what I would have done.
I'm sure. I think there's. There's a.
They don't have the big blowhorn here, so.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna come out here and sit here.
You need one to come to the goal.
Were you guys like in the study where that fucking came out of the window, like flying out?
Yeah, we saw like they were here.
There's more.
We're the fucking worst. Fucking Wednesday night beer league.
Leave your have one that's got like another off the office.
It's gonna be alright.
Taking a shit.
The worst part is
He's
like,
got- he went to go get
sometimes
milk.
they're down by like 5.
Maybe also, it's only very season.
He'll be back.
You're down fucking
So
5.
they don't have a Jaeger jersey, but they have Jaeger bomb jerseys that are Jaeger on there. And the Jaeger bomb is spelled like Jaeger. The other Jaeger. Did you get Jaeger for your Jaeger?
Oh yeah, no. I put that under my stairs.
That's about how it's been since it's been new.
Yeah.
It was an end table, and then it was in my
Good work,
garage,
Gus.
and now it's under your stairs. Good save.
Do the
Yeah, you gotta.
glove thing. He's got to do the thing that the other goalie does, where he hits the stick on the both sides of the post every time somebody's coming down. Doesn't make you any better.
See.
Each team gets
Calibrate.
Yeah.
pretty much taken.
I think that's gonna
Yeah, no, I don't like that.
be. Yeah.
No, I want like
At least it's
more
close to
card.
taking timeouts. I've had
I don't hear it like.
They had one like that.
Yeah,
There's also the
I like the purple green
The
aspect.
10-40 game.
the Fort Island
A
Ocelots.
lot of times John won't even allow it. He's like,
I've seen a lot of
no, you don't get timeout.
Crazy.
Like, why would you call a timeout when you're down 6 at the 10-40?
Yeah.
They could come back.
Probably not.
They can come
I'm
back.
trying to enjoy the moment.
If these keep score, they still come back.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're only down by 2.
I had
They
one.
don't have all the goals.
No, that was in.
Yeah. That last one hit the
That was
net.
off me.
When it hit the
It was
net,
on
that's in.
I mean, that one over here was all net for sure.
All
Yeah,
net.
all net.
Gus couldn't do anything about it.
He wasn't even close to
That's
that.
gonna do nothing about it.
Nowhere near it. Gus just watched it sail into the net, didn't even move for it. He was like, fuck, I can't get that one.
Nope. Nothing you can do about that. I'm not halfway through these.
There's a fucking Greek! He's the Greek Greek!
That's cool.
It sounds like it.
Yeah. That sounds like it's going in.
Oh, there it is.
I feel like someone already
Now-
told me that name. I don't know. I could. Yeah, so that's lucky basketball. Yeah, it might be worth a few $1 million, but yeah. But I mean, Gus could. Oh God!
That's a goal.
You blew it.
No,
It
no goal.
sounded like a goal.
Wasn't in.
Manicures. Come on, Gus.
Oh.
There's a shootout coming. No, it didn't.
John's gonna put that. He's the last.
Oh, at least 2 penalties before that happens.
I'm trying to go, oh, this is a shootout and everything.
That's why you have to play fucking short periods for the playoffs because John ain't about to fucking stay late.
Yeah, he's like, I'm going home.
He's like, we're gonna make sure the last game ends early.
The Greek freak
We're sure as
out.
shit not staying late.
Oh, yeah. He's like,
You guys all lose
short
two
periods in the playoffs. He's like,
because you might get overtime and I'm not about to stay fucking late, so you all get 2 minutes less.
Exactly.
Even if you're playing the last game of the night, you started at 9:15 instead of 10:40, you still lose 2 minutes a game, period.
Yep. That's not like a goal. That was in.
Sounds like a death rat. I'd like to see it. Yeah, it's like that was a goal. It sounded right. I would see if he has one.
The blind rep.
I went the wrong way. I went the wrong way.
There is no way he's got a book. And he's over there telling you, like, we're on USA Hockey. Right. Dude, no. Like, what are you talking about? You just feel like calling that. It's the only way there's a fucking league.
That was goal.
Oh no! I would have done the same thing.
Does John rep your side?
No, you would have scored. Or you would have hit my foot and I would have scored. It's only been 2 games.
Yes.
It's like every month is gonna be
Actually,
like
like
Yeah.
Like a real match between us.
Oh no! No, that did not go in, did it? Alright.
We got a game.
Still on.
We got a game.
Still on.
We got a game.
by less than 2, so stop.
sitting in third on the two.
Yeah.
So much pressure, right?
Well, Waffles, put some maple syrup on that.
Shoot that shit!
Oh, yeah, gosh!
You need to shoot it low.
There's a goalie just by something.
Oh.
Yeah. Outdoor Denver was only like last year's worst feature.
Do something.
But it turned the point. The point always deserves the puck. Yeah.
Oh!
There's also a purple narwhal too. Either way, I think it's a good place to look. And we don't have to deal with custom, because then custom is going to take like way longer.
Shoot it!
Do a kickflip!
Called it with 4 seconds.
Throw him out, Rick!
Let him play.
What is that?
Fucking penalty.
Then you can do it.
Hockey.
It's hockey.
Can't call that with 4 seconds left.
Top tier hockey. Pays to be professional.
I don't even know how they stop the clock.
He's just standing there.
That was the worst call tonight right there. Terrible.
That was the only penalty on